big present? Big present? You want?
Yeah, sure. What's
Papa?
under here?
What's under there?
Can you see?
Oh.
Oh, is that how you're gonna look?
Okay. What is this?
What is it, Holden?
Wow.
What is it, baby? Is that your train table?
It makes sound too.
Yeah, do you love it, Holden? Does it fit? Wow. Happy birthday, baby. This is from Papa. And Mimi. Papa and Mimi gave this to you.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you to Papa? Holden, can you say thank you, Papa? Maybe you can in a little while. Happy birthday, Holden. You're 2 years old today.
Happy birthday, Holden.
Happy birthday, baby. Is it on the track? Ooh!
Look, you can get all kinds of other cars on there if you want. See?
Happy birthday, Holden.
Hours later.
Yeah. It makes noise, baby.
I think this is supposed to also
Turn on.
have something. Maybe. I have to look at the instructions.
Yeah, it looks like there's lights on it.
Yeah.
Because I do know that it lights up. Some of it's supposed to light up too. Maybe there's a trigger point that has to
Oh,
be
I
hit.
see. There's a screwdriver.
Holden, what is this? Are these your choo-choos?